something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into
recording
a
in
creature,
progress,
and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
think you're on mute, King.
Oh, apologies, guys. I was saying I am looking for buys today. Got bullish, got bullish momentum. Looks like London didn't do anything today.
How did London go, guys?
Terrible.
Damn, what happened?
I
Terrible.
took a short and I saw like 20 pips and it just reversed.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, bad. This buyer is just relentless. I just walked away.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Man, I bought it.
Yeah, buys.
I bought it here.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
nice.
But my runner already got stopped out. It went down, and yeah, like that wick candle, it stopped my runner out. Did you take a trade, Edwin?
Yeah, I'm on my second loss already today. God damn. I took a S&P sales because the 15 didn't close above, so I thought she gonna go a bit lower to the demand. But
Asian session or what?
London session.
Maybe you
Oh.
take
Asian, I took like USD Swiss franc.
Oh my
What?
God.
What are you
the
doing?
fuck? What
Now
the
you've
fuck?
gone crazy.
Yeah, it's just like my friend says like it's a good setup, so I look
My
at
friend.
Fuck your friend. Your friend's like shorting gold from 2000. Fuck that guy.
it. Nah, he's the other guy.
Okay.
I look at it, it makes sense. Like the price makes sense, so I took the risk. Yeah, because like even during Asian, the gold doesn't do nothing. I don't see any setups. It's like all a mess basically.
Yeah, during Asian session, I was looking at gold and I was like, the Forex chart and the gold chart are in completely different places. So I can't trust any setup. I don't feel confident in it, but yeah, it is what it is.
I was actually waiting for like a bit lower, but she never tapped the level that I want, like for the buys.
So that was like USD Swiss
Yeah.
Asian
USD,
session.
CHF. Yeah, I tried taking a buys because I saw the bullish momentum picking up,
Okay,
and I got obliterated real quick.
Damn. Damn,
Man, I
it's
thought
still
she could go.
dropping.
Yeah, I thought she have like more upside, but I
Mhm.
guess I was wrong.
Damn, yeah, that's hard to buy it. That is hard to buy it. Like,
Yeah,
man, I'm zooming out. Wow, it's like plummeting.
yeah, but I think it's the daily demands like she's reacting from. So I thought, yeah, we got gaps, bullish
Yeah.
momentum picking up. It's a very nice setup too. Give it a try. Get clapped real quick.
Damn.
One thing I've noticed is you always say it was a really great setup for all of your losses.
Yeah, you gotta stop that.
Yeah. I feel like
It's
you
like
want
if
it,
you
you
take a
want it to
loss,
be.
you can't be
it's a
like it's a really
beautiful
good setup.
Yeah, I saw the bullish momentum breaking highs, retest, and just take it as usual. Just didn't work out today.
I do the complete opposite. If I take a loss, I don't go, like that was a really good setup. I kind of look at it and I go, okay, did I do something wrong? What could I have changed? Maybe I should have waited, like, been more patient, wait for a different, like, lower demand, or maybe this wasn't even good a setup, you know?
Man, if I
It's like
start
maybe that
doubting
rejection
myself,
at the high
it's
was
gonna
too strong or
spiral out of
whatever.
control with me. So I try to be positive most of the time.
That tricks you, that tricks your brain into looking at the same setup again.
Yeah, I mean, like, it is a setup that usually works, just today doesn't work, so all good.
Yeah, I'm not about that positivity. I'm all about that reality.
Oh, man.
I'm all about being really self-critical.
Yep. I will shit all over
Um,
myself.
I hate myself.
I'm
Yeah.
done doubting myself, man. I'd rather take the loss, walk away, take the new one.
Like, if I take a loss, I have to flog myself.
Yep.
Well, at least I know I gotta divorce SMP now. Fuck SMP.
You said that. You said that last week.
Nah, I said I want to give her like one last chance, and she freaking doesn't work out with me. I'm
What
done
the
with
hell
her.
is this? What the hell is this USD CAD? What are you doing?
What, USD CAD? Nah, I
What?
didn't trade USD CAD.
Oh, what trade? What trade was it? CAD, JPY, whatever it was.
Swiss.
Oh,
No,
Swiss.
Swiss franc.
Swiss franc.
Swiss franc. Man, can you imagine? Take like 5 fucking trades. None of that is a win. God damn it, SMP.
Oh no!
What a
Walk
loser.
away.
See, and that's another reason why I don't waste my time with this nonsense positive talk, because you said that usually this setup works. Well, it is 5 losses in a row or whatever. It's like, well, usually it does not work. Usually it does not work.
Yeah. No, it's a
So
different
you need to stop
setup.
taking that trade
The
because
pair
usually
doesn't
it does
work
not work.
somehow. Just if it's a gold, it works, but somehow it doesn't work on SMP. Same idea, everything.
And also, like, if you're getting like a string of losses, you need to go back and take a look at what's going on. Like, why?
Yeah, that's true. But man, I don't even have the data for the last SMP, like last 3 losses, like couple of months ago. But I recall like everything was a loss on SMP, like never a win.
Yeah, you gotta screenshot that shit,
Yeah, now I've got the data. I've got all the screenshot of my losses and my wins.
Okay, that's good.
But man, I ain't touching SMP anymore. 5 is enough.
I would say it's not the S&P. I would say it's the trader, because
Yeah,
ton of people make money from that. Ton of people make money
Mhm.
from
it's just
trading
it's not compatible with
currencies.
my setup, I guess. It's like,
Yeah,
yeah, most of the time she just doesn't agree. So yeah, if it doesn't work out for me, like, yeah, it's not making money. Why should I even bother?
yeah.
Stop wasting my
Also,
time.
what the hell? Why are you trading like USD Swiss? Did you give that some thorough back testing before you jumped in there?
It's just the setup. I saw potential in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, even Abe doesn't do that. Like, he'll back test. He's like, I'm thinking about US oil again for the 50th time, but you'll see he's like back testing it before he does it.
Yeah. Oh, I guess the loss was on me.
You know?
Just the gap's too good with the bullish momentum. Oh man.
Oh yeah, and that was another thing that was tricky about gold this morning. Like, futures had a gap to the upside and to the downside piece of the news gap, and then a market open gap. So it's like, shit.
Yeah.
Which
I
way you
opened it
gonna
up.
fill first?
Wait,
That's the
Asian?
thing.
Yeah, Asian.
Man, Asian was a mess. I saw the sales, possible sales, but it's just too much of a mess. I don't even want to bother. She did give 1-to-1 though.
Yeah, London, the sale started to look really nice, but
London sells? I thought London
then
went up.
no, there was a sell opportunity where it made like a double top. and then
Oh, okay.
started to break down, and then it just fucking reversed. Like it was just one of those things. But
Yeah,
then, go on.
No, go ahead.
Oh no, I was just going to say, that going back to what
Where
you were
was your
saying earlier. Actually, when I look back on it, it was so bullish. Delta was so positive. You know that it's clearly just buys all day. So
Yeah,
I shouldn't be
Oh.
trying to be too clever.
yeah.
where was your
And
sell
then
time?
it wants to rip the highs, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Man, I've been. Hi, where's your sell? Where did you look for the sells? Where's the double top? Is it this one?
I'll hold on 2 seconds. Be right with you. It was around 30. Oh,
30.
wait, what price did I get in? So I got in at 36.18. 36.18.08. So it was like
Wait, is it Forex or
around
futures
here.
chart?
Like I think it was this one.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm actually not even too mad at that one because I was thinking it was gonna come back down here for the, buys.
Yeah.
It's
I
like
was
that.
actually waiting for the demands. Like, just gotta take the buys there. Like, don't even bother for the sells.
That's what I was aiming for, to be honest. I thought, and there's so much volume at the bottom. There's so much volume. Like the POC hasn't moved all day, even though we're going up. So I just thought, okay, we're gonna come down at some point, surely,
Yeah.
surely.
And famous last word. You gotta
Man,
pull back one of these days.
I took an amazing buy on Friday though. After the stream ended and everyone got stopped out, I was like, look, guys, I really think that's a liquidity sweep. This is gonna go back up.
Oh, after the stop out?
Yeah,
After the
yeah. And I was like, look, this isn't going
man, that
down.
was bullshit.
So I went, bye.
Man, that was bullshit. Literally, go up just to hit the stop loss.
Yeah, see, this is where gold fucks you, because now I'm thinking this could be the pullback. Or a slight pullback.
Yeah,
At least to
yeah.
this area.
But that's probably your FOMO kicking in, right? That you can't wait for the buy setup, that you have to take the sell.
Little bit of that, but also footprint is there's like a lot of aggressive selling at the top. But then
Yeah,
but then
do
there
you
was
think it's
but there was earlier.
It's like, do you think we're gonna make a new low on the day or a new high on the day?
I know. Yeah, it's gonna be highs. It's gonna be highs. Ah, fuck you, God. I hate Monday losses. I hate when you're like so pumped up for the week. You're like, all right, here we go. We're gonna make some money. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. It's real bad to start the week off, like the first trade and you lose it. It's like, oh, that's not good. Also, it doesn't help if you end the week with a loss either. It also sucks. Fucks
Tell
with
me
you
about
mentally.
it, man. Tell me about it.
No, you tell me about it.
Man, I'm already half crying.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's still early, like early of the week, and it's like early of the month as well. Can still bounce back.
Yep.
Like couple of 1-2s should fix it.
That's definitely if you're going to be positive, that's the positivity to have, is that there's plenty more trading opportunities in the week to end positive.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just 1 or 2 trades. It's not the end. Like the next they're gonna take the same setups anyway. Whiteboarder.
There's like positivity, then there's like being delusional, where it's like
Yeah.
my losing trade was good. It's like no.
Yeah.
So I can make it back with good trades, right?
Yeah,
It's not like
good
my bad
trade.
trade was good. It's like no, sorry.
I should do my bad trade was good. I should try it again on a different pair.
All right, NYSE, 1 minute.
Let's see what NYSE traders are gonna do. It's gonna open in 30 seconds.
That's the whole thing.
I am anticipating that we're gonna come to this 15 or even retest this 30 again. Because I'm looking at this 1 hour here. It was this demand we have on 1 hour was created after the BOS. The 30-minute, I'm looking too close to the highs. I want it to come down to the 15. And we created this support, and we created this demand, and we had a BOS. So that's the better demand, the strongest demand here. So we'll see what happens.
The lower the better.
So this take over for me, and I'll be right back. Okay.
Take over.
Right here. I'll be right back. I was enjoying the conversation though.
We're very real on this channel.
Hey Kendrick.
Yeah. You see, just now I was like super interested in selling it, but now I'm like, nah, don't you do it, you dumb bitch. And it just spiked up like 20 pips.
Yeah, but you can see why I was saying, oh, this might be a pullback of some sort. But then it does that, like,
Yep.
crazy.
That would have been me entering a sell and being like, oh, I'm in a sell, I'm out. All right, thanks. Thanks,
Yeah.
Gold, for taking my money.
That was literally me during London. I was like, okay, I'm on a bit of a streak because I was on like a really good winning streak. So I was like, okay, here's another W. Here we go. And then the market just humbles you.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so it's gonna break down now.
Okay, now I'm pissed.
Alrighty. Looks like a good setup's coming. Perfect.
Ah, Jesus. Already hit my break even. Oh well, give it a try.
What did you sell?
I sold it at 61.3.
Oh, nice. No.
It kind of like consolidated for like a little tiny bit, and then I was like, okay, let's just ride that momentum, put a super tight stop loss, see if we can't get down there in one go. And it went like 20 pips and straight back up.
I'm doing that all day.
Well, anyways, that was my one attempt at a short. Now that's over. Now that I got that out of my system.
No, I think she gonna go 3650 probably. Then yeah, it's a nice number, nice sounding number. It's
Man, I
like
wouldn't even
even
be surprised if that's the fucking this candle wick is like a low. Who knows? Maybe they just jump right in like that hardcore. It's like, yep.
Oh man, please don't. So close to the demand, man. And to be honest, I want the lower demand, but I
Yeah, I
guess
want
this
even lower.
would do. Yeah, I guess this first 15 would do.
Not gonna do
Yeah.
it. It's not gonna do it.
Yeah. These buyers, they're not having it. They're like, sell it straight into my arms, boy. Take it all. Shit. Man, it's already gone up 70 pips from that low.
Might reject the supply though and give the pullback.
What supply?
These five tiny one. And not that tiny, but yeah.
No. There's no supply. There's zero supply. There's only demand. I'm being realistic. There is no such thing as supply on gold right now.
Yeah.
Any pullback you see, that's not even a supply. That's just like profit taking. It would be different if, like one of these highs aggressively came down and took out a significant low. Then you could be like, okay, there's a supply, but that's not happening. Oh, nice. It's gonna give us hope. Gonna come back
Very,
down.
very angry selling, but
Yeah, YouTube's dead. Dead quiet.
yeah, it's like, what the fuck? Where are you? Only thing about the I don't know if that you, but the PAC hasn't moved despite being so high and for so long.
Yeah.
That's that's sort of what my target was for any sells, but
Also, this New York Open, it's immediately created a range profile.
Mhm.
So it's already like not trending, it's already ranged. It's already
Yeah.
like such a perfect range. Which is weird that it happened that quickly. But you know, this is the ideal. You know, you get this like kind of double pullback. You kind of fake out the FOMO people, come back one more time, then you get the nice push up to take out some highs, and then continue on your journey to the moon.
Very, very interesting.
Hey, Alex. Yeah, you're the only one here, Alex. Everyone else is MIA. Man, come on, Goldie. All right. I guess I'm gonna have to look at USD Swiss. Damn you, gold. Damn yo, wait for us.
So it's rejecting the 30-minute demand then, yeah. Rejected the 30.
God. Imagine rejecting it with the way the 30 closed. It's like, what kind of candle is that even? It's like all wick with no body. God, this fucking... It's gonna blow. Mm. Damn. Oh boy, he's gone.
See if it's gonna come here again. Probably not, but we'll see.
Yeah. Normally in New York, they like to, shake the tree a bit, they like to
Yep.
not today, eh? Just kiss and gone.
Yeah, the Anthony. Good morning. Hey, Alex.
Well, today's gonna be a strong test of one's patience. Can you control the FOMO?
Yep, today's that day.
Well, 2Ls helps.
And the fact that the
I was
POC
patient.
has not moved for the day, that's very weird. You don't see that.
Mm.
Food is very, very tricky after it breaks.
Yeah.
You're pretending waiting for it to hit your TP. If not interested, to be honest. Especially if this thing closes. Bearish. Below. Pretty much if we close bearish below 36.70. This low should be able to break this high now. It does not. Closes below 36.71.5. From then on. Next 40 pips and you get funded again. Oh, nice. What firm you with now? I think you said you don't stop trading futures, but maybe that was something.
Man, Pi said that tells me a huge short must not be far away. And the moment he said that, this thing rips the highs.
Funded Trading Plus. Okay. Oh wow, they still around? Nice.
Makes 40 pips get funded. Okay. That means he's in the buys already. Very nice. Oh,
No, I
or is
don't
he in the
know.
buys?
I don't think he is already. You know,
Oh. Oh, man, that sucks. This thing's just fly. Mm.
So no clean closure above these highs just yet. We might get a shot.
Damn, Pi left. He must be pissed. He probably shorted it and got stopped out. And now it's dropping. He's like, fuck.
Yeah, we might be shorting these guys. And how this candle closes. I'm not interested in this 5-minute demand here. If it goes up from there, it goes. Too close to the highs.
Jesus. Jesus, gold. Come on. If this thing breaks the highs, man, that's gonna be something else. Oh my god. Them sellers, they're sweating now.
With
They're
this
sweating
move
bad.
right now, this current bullish candle, good is officially tripping today. It's acting abnormally. And the fact that this POC has not moved for the day, it's yeah, I don't know how to feel about that one.
Oh, the POC is not actually down there.
Well, it's not. It hasn't. Well,
No.
it hasn't moved. Let me check to it a bit.
It's at 53.4.
Let me check to it a bit.
It's probably somewhere else now that New York's open. No,
Oh,
53.4.
Let me delete Golden Pro.
Oh wait, no, that's value area high. Yeah, you're right. It's still down there, the POC. Value area high is
Why are
up
you
there.
trying to confuse me?
Yeah, I was looking at the wrong line.
And which one is it again?
Price action is starting to look real shit in real wiki.
It's not looking good anymore right now.
Probably gonna take a while before she give the setup. Maybe tomorrow, Asian.
Maybe.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off, wake up every
I
morning.
think our today might be Asia session.
Anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it, they want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it, they want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the
Yeah.
doubts. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it, they want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep.
Even though we bullish as hell, I still see this thing coming down at this point, to at least this low here. Question is, do we have type of volume now? Or we're gonna see the sales dominate?
I got nightmares in my head.
Mondays are normally slow.
Thoughts build up until
Yeah, it can be slow sometimes.
my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer, no exposure. I just wanna be alone.
If we can come down aggressively, pretty much below and close below this previous high, I'm gonna start looking for sales at that point.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a
But if it keeps coming down, I'll look to buy from over there.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like
So check out how many wins we've had on the Mondays. Mondays are good, it's Fridays.
Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
If I want to get impatient, I will take a sell right now.
You heard them. Everyone, short it. Good luck.
Wait, what did you say?
I said, everyone, short it now. Good luck.
Shut. I didn't I didn't press the sell button for you.
Ah, man.
We're gonna stay patient and wait for our setup. If it gives one, fine. If it doesn't, then okay, it is what it is. Is teasing your take profit? My suggestion: take your money and run now. I could be wrong, but that's my suggestion. I think we are going to come down and then go back up eventually. But for right now, I see this falling. If it does, I don't see the support breaking. However, there is a chance that it could break, and maybe Asia session or London could get by from this demand / this POC here, especially if this POC does not move at all. So can go come down this far though? That's the question. If we're gonna get a nice supply here on the 15, 15 has 10 minutes more to close. So now, since we created this low here from 36.46, you can see price broke highs. Until we created this low and we broke it. However, it was a struggle, and we really didn't have volume to pretty much really push price to the upside. So for that reason, I'm expecting to see this. That's what I'm expecting to see, and I'm pretty much going to wait for this right here and look to take this. That's what I'm waiting for right now. Because of all these lows that we created. Pretty much because we're not breaking lows. If we were breaking lows and we had a supply, let's say we had a supply here, and yeah, I won't have to wait for another retest. I'll just take it as we were breaking this candle. So since we're not, I gotta be extra careful when it comes to taking sales. $15 okay. If you're gonna have a nice supply there. So we have one more 5-minute candle. This one closes. We got 3 more minutes for this current 15-minute candle to close. Same with the 5 and 30. We do not have a 15-minute supply. Use resistance depending on how this current 30-minute candle closes. use this 5 minute here. Less than 20 pips from your TP and it flipped. No, I suggested that you just take what you had and just call the day from the buys. Oh, he was at the barber shop. Oh. You know what I'm gonna hate, guys, if this thing drops and it doesn't give us a setup. Right now, I needed to tap the resistance. Checked it. And we should possibly get a pullback once we tap this 5 minute demand here. We should do something from either go up and break the highs or reject this resistance. This possible setup we're trying to take, this is a counter trend trade. We're trying to take gold right now. We know more than you know. Trying to tell the market. Oh, alrighty, Anthony, that makes sense. We're either gonna reject here or break. If we do, I will taking. Ooh. Mm-mm. So is it gonna break these highs or come down? Projecting here. And it closes in right about now. We close above these highs. That's my session for today. And we'll see what Asia session does. Okay, I think we're gonna break. Alrighty, Anthony, you too. Do not like the setup for sales anymore. We went too deep inside this resistance here. So I'm gonna have to wait again pretty much for this to break first at this point. This candle should have been the one rejecting this resistance. Even if this thing still comes down, then I'm gonna wait for that. That means I'm gonna have enough time if this resistance holds. It is 9:44 a.m. here. So this session is pretty much cooked. YouTube, I will see you guys tomorrow. I am out. God bless you guys. See you guys again tomorrow. Boom. We'll see what happens though in AJ session. Hopefully we get it set up. God bless.
All right,
I'm
thanks,
out.
Abe.
You're welcome, guys.
Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome, guys.